So guys, real quick, we got this ThinkDiag hooked up. Look at this. So it shows no oil pressure. This is their complaint, okay? So no oil pressure. Let's hook the ThinkDiag up, see if we can get scan data, see what it's supposed to be. Let me shut this off real quick. Just leave the key on. Okay, so here we are. We're on the ThinkDiag. Let's ID this vehicle. Hopefully we'll make a quick video out of this. Gotta wait for it to decode the VIN. Is this all that's up? Oh, this all. Let's try this again. I started recording and I got a phone call. So let's see. So we want to decode this. It's an 03 GMC Envoy. I know it's going to ask us like what kind of transfer case or whatever, and it's automatic 2-speed. Let's see. There we go, got our VIN. Rating. So we're going to go system selection. I guess 2-speed active. Envoy. This is a manual dual zone. There we go. So now we're going to want instrument panel. I don't think the ECU has any inputs for oil pressure. There we go. Oil's pressure. So there we go. So right now it shows 0. You see that? Let's see. I think we can graph this. There we go. We're graphing it. Put my dot up there. Start this up. Look at that. 1651. And look at our gauge. Our gauge stays low. So our gauge is bad. All our other gauges work. So that means our powers and grounds and everything are good. See that? It's just not displaying because the instrument cluster is saying it's supposed to be displaying. See that now it's dropping down. Let me shut the truck off. Key's still on. Now it should drop. See that? So there you go. Our oil pressure drops. So I don't think there's a gauge sweep option in here. Function input output. Nope, that's not it. Actuation test. Gauges. Display test. Oh, there you go. It commanded all our needles up. See that? Now let's command them off. So our gauge is bad. There you go. So that's our issue. Bad needle. So, hope you guys like this. If they have me fix it, I'll show you guys. But that confirms it right there. See you guys later. Okay, guys, we're back with the Envoy. Just want to make sure this gauge doesn't work. So our oil pressure gauge still does not work. So they want me to rebuild it. So I got the stepper motors and stuff. So we're going to take this cluster out. We'll take it apart. We'll rebuild it. Okay, guys. So if you look, these move freely. This one is really rough. You can hear it. This one's free. This one's free. And this one's rough. So I'm going to get all these needles off and then we're going to fix it. Okay, guys, so this is the stepper motor right here that we need to get off. So we're going to flip this over. And we're going to desolder these points and try to remove it. Okay, guys, so I got the stepper motor out. So we got to put the new stepper motor. Oh, God, I just burnt myself. That's lovely. I forgot it was still on. So we got the new one right here. They look identical. So I'm going to put this on, solder it up, and then we'll take it out to the car and test it. Okay, guys, I got this soldered on here. So this through hole was like damaged. Yeah, I left it up. I don't know why, but I just ended up soldering the wire to the trace right there, so that should be good. The soldering iron was only at 700 degrees, so I don't know why, but it is what it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the cover back on here. We'll take it out to the car and we'll test it, make sure the backlighting all works. And if it looks like it's good, then we're done. I could test it here on the bench, but it's going to be easier just to take it out to the car. So guys, I got the cluster in the car. Now this needle right here, this thing got all like messed up. I don't have it pushed on all the way, but this one isn't sounding good just by taking the needle off. You can hear how the other ones sound, and it's really crunchy now just by taking the needles on and off. But look at this oil pressure. I gotta adjust it, zero it, but you can see it's working. So we're gonna have to fix that. We're gonna have to replace that battery gauge one then. I think we should be good. Our RPM worked, right? But like I said, nothing's zeroed, so I gotta zero everything. But I think we'll be fine. So we'll replace that one, zero everything. If this was a customer's, like not a used car lot, I would be replacing everything in the cluster, including the light bulbs. Okay guys, so got the other one soldered on here. I want to see what bulbs aren't working. Looks like this bottom one right here is blown. Let's see. Put a line to this. So that one needs to be replaced. Let's set our cover in place. I think we're missing a couple other bulbs. That one's just bad connection up there. Let's see. It's really hard to see. Looks like this one right here is blown. That one. Looks like these two center ones. I might not have enough bulbs. I think I only have 4. Looks like this one, and this one, and then this one. It's a lot of bulbs. That's, oh, we might have enough. Yeah, I think we do, because I think I only have 4. So I replaced all the bulbs. I had taken this one off by accident. I was supposed to take that one off, so I just switched them since I had already soldered this one down. So we've got the new bulbs in there. They're soldered. They only solder on 2 sides. So I'm going to go take it out to the car and try it. Okay guys, I guess that one, I missed one. Is that one going bad too? Because you saw that go out. Look, now that one's on. Oh no, I don't have enough bulbs to replace them all. I just have those, so that's what it is for now. If they want it replaced, we can order them in. That's where we're at. Let's make sure this cluster all works. Guys, I got the cluster sitting in there. Let's turn the key on. There we go. Let's put it in gear. Look at that. There we go. Okay guys, so got it all back together. Look at that. Let's see. So there you go guys. I hope you guys like this. Hope maybe you learned something. See you guys later.